हेलो, नमस्कार। वेलकम टू श्री दिगंबर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, दौसा। माय नेम मिस्टर हरदेश कुमार from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Today we will discuss about the addressing mode, subject microprocessor, lecture number 10. Addressing mode, the manner in which target address or effective address is identified within the instruction is called addressing mode. Every instructions of program has to operate on a data. The method of specified the data to be operate with an instruction is called addressing. So the instructions of effective address 20H, 30H, 10FFH. This is the effective address. So these effective address is identified within the instructions is called a addressing mode. First, immediate addressing mode. Second, direct addressing, indirect addressing, register addressing, register indirect addressing, displacement addressing or stack addressing. Immediate addressing mode. This is the immediate addressing mode. That means immediate addressing mode. In an immediate addressing mode, 8 or 16-bit data can be specified as a part of instructions. There is no need to specify the address of the operand. So immediate addressing mode indicate I. तो any operand, this operand no need to specify of the address. In instructions, any bit data, 8-bit or 16-bit, mostly used 8-bit or 16-bit data in immediate addressing mode. For example, MVI. MV का मतलब मूव और I का मीन्स इमीडिएट. B20H. So this 20H is the 8-bit immediate data. 20 which is the 8-bit immediate data into the register B. तो मूव 8-bit immediate data 20H into register B. This is the immediate addressing mode. Next, direct addressing mode. The direct addressing mode specify 16-bit data. 16-bit address of the operand. This is 16-bit. In memory location. This is the memory location in 16-bit data. 16-bit address of the operand within the instruction itself. Since this is address is a part of the instruction, is a part of this operand is part of the instruction. The second and third byte of this instructions, the content of 16 bit. 16 bit data in store of the memory location. These are the memory location. This is the memory location. तो ऑपरेंड डायरेक्टली स्टोर given data in memory location to the instruction. For example, say LDA 2000H. That means LDA load the 8-bit content of memory location, this data 200H, into the accumulator. A means accumulator. LD is the load, A means accumulator. So this memory store the content of register. Next example, suppose consider SHLD and 2050H. That means store the content of HL register pair into the two consecutive memory location. This memory location, the content of register L lower byte into memory location 2050H, and the content of register H higher byte into the memory location 2050 again 2051H. This is the directly store the memory location. Indirect addressing mode. Indirect addressing mode. The indirect addressing mode, the memory address which to operand the located is specify the content of the register pair. For example, so this memory, this instructions, this is the data stored in memory location, but indirectly store is the operand, not is the directly. इसमें डायरेक्टली हो रहा था, इसमें इनडायरेक्टली वर्क कर रहा है. दिस पहले यहाँ पे डाटा आएगा, फिर इसके बाद अगेन इनडायरेक्ट. LDAX, सपोज LDAX data will be B. That means LDAXB load the accumulator into the contents of memory location pointed by this register pair. सपोज नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल मूव ले लीजिए. मूव AB या MA पुश सो ऑन. तो दैट मीन्स store the content accumulator into the memory location pointed by this register pair MA. Since any data stored in memory location indirectly store in the operand and executions of instructions, that means indirect addressing mode. For example, लिख लीजिए एग्जाम्पल EDAXB और move MA. This is the MA. This is the example of indirect addressing mode. Register addressing mode. The register addressing mode specify the source to operand, and destination operand or both to the content in the register pair. This is the register pair. Since it is not necessary to access the memory locations, right, for the operand, not memory location that store in the register. तो रजिस्टर एड्रेसिंग मोड, सोर्स और ऑपरेंड specify in the faster executions in instruction set. For example, move BA. Move BA. Move BA means move the content of register A accumulator into the register B. This is the register addressing mode. Another example, add B. Add 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 B. That means add the content of register B into the accumulator and store result in accumulator register B. This example of the register addressing mode. Move, for example, move BA add B. This is the main example of register addressing mode. Register indirect addressing mode. Indirect addressing mode, register addressing, indirect addressing mode. So the register addressing mode specify the source, operand and destination or go to the content in the register, but add of the indirectly is the operand in another memory location. This is the after the execution of instructions. This is the register indirect addressing mode. Displacement addressing. Displacement addressing instructions any displacement to the register and memory location. So this displacement addressing mode executions of instructions in between of distance source to operand. Okay, so this is the register location and this is the memory location, in between some data, but this executions and this memory location execution after that store of the memory locations. So these data executes of the instruction set. Stack addressing mode. Stack addressing mode instructions implicit top of stack register or stack. This is generally used. Every instructions of program has to operate on a data, but different technique. Stack first in, first out. That means push and pop operation. Push and pop operation. Push and pop operation in execute of the instructions. So top of stack register, तो instruction set microprocessor instruction set stack register store the push data and pop data. In push and pop operation will be defined the stack addressing mode. For example, push 2000 200H data. That means 200H data it executes of the push instructions. And another example, pop 2000H data. That means 200 data is executes of the pop operation. Inserting and deletion means addition and subtractions. Same positive and negative. Same work for stack addressing. Thank you watching this video.